How to edit messages on Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Did you know that Messenger has introduced a new feature allowing you to edit your sent messages? That's right, if you are not aware of this recent update, you are in the right place. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of editing your sent messages on Messenger. Let's get started. Open Messenger on your device, select the account you wish to chat with, start a conversation with the intended recipient. If you have made a typo error or sent the wrong message, long press on the message you want to edit, tap on More Options. Select the Edit option from the menu. Edit the message as needed. For example, correct any typo errors or amend the content. Once you have made the necessary changes, tap on the blue tick to send the edited message. Above the edited messages, you will see Edited. This notification also informs the recipient that modifications have been made to the message. And just like that, you can effortlessly edit your sent messages on Messenger and rectify any typos or errors. That concludes today's tutorial. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.